Your ultimate goal as a wholesaler is to perform both functions at the same time, but what if you're new and you have limited time and experience? Now, if you had to choose one or the other, which is the best? In my opinion, even in a current down market, I still think if you had to choose, it's best to find a deal first and find the buyer second for three primary reasons. Reason number one is it's difficult to build a relationship with a legit cash buyer, not to mention not a good use of time without first having a deal or potential deal. Think about it. You call up a cash buyer and you say, hey, I'm a new wholesaler. If I find a deal, will you buy it? What's he gonna say? If it were me and I was the cash buyer, I'd say, yeah, if you bring me a good deal, I'll buy it. Now go find a good deal and stop wasting my time. You see, most cash buyers don't have the time to hold your hand. However, if you call up a cash buyer and you say, I have a contract right now and I think it might be a good deal, can you take a look and let me know if you're interested? Now you can have a high level conversation. Now that cash buyer will want to talk to you. Now he'll spend time and give you feedback and he'll let you know why it's a deal or it's not a deal.